Rebecca here. Just getting an update here. This is the wrap up of my Stash Made kit for September 2020. As you remember, this was completely full. I had some other pieces of paper and then I just pulled in this entire pack. So here are the scraps that I have left, which I consider to be decent scraps. This one, questionable, but so that's the scraps I have left, and these are the pattern papers, the 12 by 12 full sheets that I have left. This paper pad was pretty full when I started, so I've got this one, and they're all coming apart. So I am actually, I guess while I'm talking to you here, I'm just going to go ahead and we're going to go ahead and destroy it because, oh, come on. I won't be keeping it as a paper pad anymore. Loved it. If you guys can get this, I got it at Tuesday morning. This is excellent. But this is pretty much it. So as you see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pieces of full sheets, which will just go into my loose 12 by 12 cardstock. These scraps, which, like I said, this one's debatable, still thinking about that. And as far as the embellishments, everything that I put in here, pretty much, I mean, I got a lot of it used up. There is some wood veneer that's left over, this little enamel piece. This guy right here, which probably going to go ahead and toss this piece. This right here, I'm going to toss. I did use all the little pop-outs, but I thought maybe I would use it. As you can see, not a lot remaining in here. So, you know, if you take out these big guys, there's just a few things left that I didn't get on some layouts. So I call it a win. Plus all the other things that I brought in to use because I kept adding more to it as I was going. So yeah, I would call this a win for this month, that I did get a lot scrapped. And let me go ahead and pull the layouts that I made real quick, and I can show you just real quick an overview of the layouts that I got. So 1 minute. All right, so obviously I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I got, excuse me, 8 layouts done. So 8 layouts, a lot of supplies used. And this is 8 layouts just for that kit. So yeah, call it a win for the month. So give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Click that subscribe button below. If you would like to join me in October for Stash Made Wednesdays, I guess. I don't really know what I'm calling it. I'm just randomly grabbing stuff out of some page kits and trying to use as much as possible, because a lot of this stuff has been in my craft room for years upon years upon years, and I'm finally getting them used and getting lots and lots of layouts created. So yeah, leave me a comment below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.